Yeah, that was
I was like, well, it's everywhere. I was doing this in November.
and our kids went up for a head ball, but couldn't reach it. I thought, okay, that's a pretty good test if it's above the head. If they jump for a head ball. So who won the shootout over there?
There was no shootout.
It looked like it. It was like 20 to 20 or something like that.
These guys won.
Yeah, I'm not on a team now. Last year I was on a team. Kevin's dead. Hayes.
I know your name's good. Nice pass. We do that in the middle of the week.
Yeah. Ooh.
Here we go. No, 2-1.
Oh yeah, 2-1. Yep, yep.
That's right.
Oh, nice pass.